Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore Odoo, an all-in-one business management software tool. Today we're going to uncover what Odoo is, its various applications, its community support, its pricing structure, and how easy it is to use its CRM module. So let us jump straight in. Odoo is a comprehensive business management software offering a range of applications, as you can see, to streamline your operations. From sales and operations to manufacturing and marketing, human resources, and so much more, Odoo provides a centralized platform for businesses to manage various aspects efficiently. Additionally, Odoo boasts a supportive community and flexible pricing option, making it a valuable solution for businesses of all sizes. Odoo's CRM module stands out for its user-friendly interface and intuitive features. Managing customer interactions, tracking leads, and analyzing sales performance is simplified with Odoo's CRM, allowing your business to enhance customer relationships and drive sales growth efficiently. Odoo boasts a vibrant community of users, developers, and partners who contribute to its growth and its development. Access forums, user groups, and online resources to get help, share knowledge, and stay up to date on the latest developments. Now, let us get into the money. Odoo offers a flexible pricing structure based on the number of users and the applications required. From a free plan on the left-hand side for a limited number of users to enterprise packages with advanced features, Odoo does cater to businesses of all sizes. You can start today and use one single app absolutely free. So Odoo is versatile and scalable for your business. If you're looking to streamline your operations and drive growth, this is the place to be. With a wide range of applications, user-friendly CRM, the community support, and such a flexible pricing structure, Odoo is a valuable asset for your modern business. Now, if I have left something out, please do leave it in the comment section below, and we will see you in another amazing video. Cheers.